Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to change your username on X, previously known as Twitter, using your mobile phone. So let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap your profile icon in the top left, scroll down to Settings and Support, and then tap Settings and Privacy. On the screen, next, go to Your Account, then Account Information. You might be asked to confirm your password here, but in my case it didn't. Tap on Username. Here you can just remove your old username and enter the new handle you want. Okay, I will go with this one. If it's available, you will see a check mark and you can tap Done to save your changes. And that's it. Your username is now updated. Remember, your followers won't change, but all links to your profile using the old username won't work. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.